A severe winter storm has swept across the United States, striking Texas, the Deep South, and the Northeast with heavy snow, ice, and dangerously low temperatures. Authorities report at least a dozen fatalities linked to accidents and exposure, as communities unaccustomed to winter hazards struggle to cope. The storm has caused major travel disruptions, with over 13,000 flights canceled nationwide. In the South, ice and freezing rain have downed trees and power lines, leaving hundreds of thousands without electricity. Emergency crews are working to restore services and clear roads. Meteorologists warn that cold and hazardous conditions will continue, urging residents to stay home, prepare for outages, and follow local safety instructions.